Loretta Lynch recently revealed that she lacks integrity when she decided to hold a private meeting with Bill Clinton just days before the FBI made their recommendation to the Justice Department. Now, she further demonstrated her lack of integrity when she testified before the House Judiciary Committee and she decided to stonewall for Hillary Clinton. This is absolutely just very telling. During the 5-hour hearing before the House Judiciary Committee on Tuesday, Attorney General Loretta Lynch steadfastly refused to substantively answer any questions about the facts or law applicable to Hillary Clinton's mishandling of her emails while Secretary of State, at least 74 times by one congressman's count. Instead, she referred all such questions to FBI Director James Comey's recent statement and testimony while carefully avoiding agreement with any of his critical findings that Mrs. Clinton was, quote, extremely careless in handling the classified emails, that many of her public statements regarding the classified nature and disposition of those emails were false. Towards the end of the hearing, an obviously frustrated Congressman, Doug Collins of Georgia, tried to get Lynch to answer even the simplest question of law having nothing to do with Clinton's emails when he asked her if someone is driving 65 miles per hour in a 55-mile speed zone, has that person broken the law? Lynch replied, "You'd have to ask the highway patrolman," to audible gasps and laughter in the audience at her continued refusal to be forthcoming. So Loretta Lynch is doing everything she can to publicly declare to the world that she is willing to cover Hillary Clinton's ass so that way she won't get in trouble. And she's ruining her own career because of it. Who does that? I mean, many people are self-interested and they'll cover up for their friends only up to a certain extent, right? But James Comey, Loretta Lynch, these people are going to great lengths to get Hillary Clinton to look good and make themselves look bad and horrible. It's so puzzling to me. I don't know. Something is going on behind the scenes, and I'm not trying to be conspiratorial, but who does that? I mean, if you had, your own career and you planned to, be in the public for a while, wouldn't you try to save face and try to answer questions about Hillary Clinton in a truthful manner? Why would you stonewall? This is really weird to me. I don't know what to say, honestly. I have no idea what to say. This is just strange. Why stonewall for Hillary Clinton? She couldn't even answer a question about speed limits. It's embarrassing. It's so weird. I don't get it. Loretta Lynch is someone who I thought had integrity. Loretta Lynch is someone who I wanted Obama to appoint to the Supreme Court. And now I'm seeing that something's really off with her. Something is weird. Whatever integrity I thought she had, I was horribly mistaken. And I stand corrected because this is someone who is not being transparent. Now, I've said this before. I'll say it again because it needs to be said. This is further proof that we live in a two-tier justice system. Let me ask you this. If you're skeptical that, Loretta Lynch and James Comey are trying to cover up for Hillary Clinton, do you think that Loretta Lynch, the Attorney General of the U.S., would behave this way and discredit herself for you? No. She wouldn't do that for a peasant. So she's doing this for Hillary Clinton for a very specific reason that we don't know about, that maybe we'll never know about. I don't know if there was a quid pro quo. There's no evidence of that. I don't know if she was promised something for Hillary Clinton within her administration, whether it be just to stay on as Attorney General. I have no idea what that is, but something is going on behind the scenes that we don't know about. Now, I'm not going to speculate anymore because I honestly have no idea, but this is just really telling and quite maddening, actually, that, people in Washington will go to great lengths just to cover up for someone who is corrupt and is potentially a criminal.